Hi everyone! To those people who are asking about my eyebrows, look at this one. Like that. No. And then here. Okay, here. Nothing. Okay. So my eyebrow was made talaga sa Brow and Lash Beauty Lounge sa Lucena. Halos katapat yun ng gate ng Sacre. Ayan. So it cost I think 5,000 before, or 5,000. Yeah, I think so, 5,000. It is what we called microblade or micro shading. Yeah. So for the experience, masakit ba? Hindi po masakit kasi meron pong anesthesia nilalagay dito. And what else? 1 hour. No, yung first session ay 2 hours, and then yung second session ay I think almost 1 hour, or should I say 30 minutes to 45 minutes maybe. Yan, ganun lang kabilis. At ito ay the second session. So hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung pinakang itsura after ng scabbing. Ayan, pero it is okay now. As you can see, it is very natural. Okay, just like this. Ang galing. All I can say doon sa Beauty Lounge is that maganda yung ambience ng kanilang ano bang tawag doon? Salon? Clinic? Yeah. Maganda yung kanilang place, and also napakalinis. Mabait si Miss Sharon. Ayan, siya ang gumawa ng aking kilay. Kasi, you know what, nakakapagod na magkilay na tapos hindi naman pantay, diba? Kaya, ayan, just woke up like this. Ganon ang atake ng kilay na ito. So, yeah, it is nice to have this kilay, and I love it very much. Yun, so if you want to, pwede kayong pumunta din sa Lucena, or meron din po silang FB page na I will be posting it here, down here, or here, anywhere na may space. So maybe here na lang. Yan, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga kilay ko before and after, bago to naging ganito. Yun. So thank you so much for appreciating my kilay, and it sinasabi na bagay daw sa akin yung kilay ko. Thank you so much. Kasi ibinabagay talaga ni Mr. Sharon sa hugis ng face, ganon. Ayan. So I have to use some filter for my face like this one, because you know I have some pimples here and there. So yeah, but the kilay is real. I mean, yeah, may ano yan, tattoo na yan. Huwag nyo nang i-bash ang tattoo kong kilay, kasi I have to do that for the peace of mind. Yeah. Pero hindi na ako nagkakamali sa pagkikilay. So that's it.